Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zainal Anwar. I will from BIN Surakarta. I will present about replanting and the sustainability of livelihood in Jambi, Sumatra. This paper discussed the threat of vulnerability in the oil palm industry-based village. Among the social structure of the village community, the most vulnerable are local farmer and plantation worker. The data collection was conducted using document review, focus group discussion, in-depth interview, and observation from December 2016 to January 2017. This paper has two main findings. Firstly, the main source of livelihood for the community relies on oil palm plantation, but it's limited to producing fresh fruit bunches, and they have not been able to process any further because the palm oil is transferred to the plantation company. Non-palm oil economic activities exist, for example, cattle or chicken, but their contribution to family income is not very significant. If replanting is to be carried out, the resident main source of livelihood will be automatically threatened. Secondly, regarding land ownership, the most vulnerable community groups are the second generation and so on, where they don't have land for gardening and can only work as farm labor or work in plantation companies. Introduction. One of the best in the process of the oil palm plantation industry is when the oil palm trees enter old age, so they must be uprooted and then enter the palm tree replanting phase. In this situation, one of the parties that has the potential to experience income vulnerability is small-scale oil palm farmer and oil palm plantation worker. What is the problem? The problem is what about the environmental condition and socio-economic life at the time? This is important to discuss because oil palm plantation have become the main source of livelihood for villagers, both farmer and agricultural labor. The main argument in this paper is that the changes in the environment and plantation management have disrupted people's livelihood. The result, in the context of oil palm plantation, smallholders who own oil palm land are the main actor. Other actors are a combination of farmer group, plantation worker, and middlemen. Meanwhile, plantation workers play a greater role in the maintenance sector and when harvesting fruit. After harvest, the main actors involved are middlemen, cooperative, and plantation companies. The main source of livelihood for residents is the produce from oil palm plantation. The majority of male farmers work in the palm oil sector. Meanwhile, the majority of women become housewives. The loss of the main source of livelihood from the palm oil sector, especially when replanting oil palm trees, is a real threat, especially for small-scale farmers and plantation workers. As conclusion, this paper discusses the situation and condition of vulnerability that are potentially faced by two actors, namely local farmer and plantation worker. Both are the parties most vulnerable to losing their source of livelihood because they have relied on income from the oil palm industry as shown by the data above. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.